Could a simple cup of spiced tea unlock surprising health benefits for your body and mind? Spiced tea is a warming infusion traditionally made from black or green tea and aromatic spices like cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, cloves, and black pepper. These spices add flavor and deliver concentrated phytochemicals, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that science links to better health. Cinnamon has been studied for its ability to help regulate blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Ginger supports digestion and relieves nausea while also showing anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties in multiple clinical and traditional uses. Cardamom and cloves are rich in antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative stress and may support immune defenses over time. Black pepper contains piperine, which enhances nutrient absorption and may amplify the bioavailability of other beneficial compounds in your tea. Regular consumption of spiced tea may support heart health by improving circulation, lowering inflammation, and helping maintain healthy cholesterol levels in conjunction with good lifestyle habits. Beyond physical effects, the ritual of brewing and savoring spiced tea can reduce stress, promote mindful moments, and boost mood through calming sensory cues. Some spices, especially cinnamon and ginger, have mild metabolism-boosting effects that can support weight management when paired with healthy eating and exercise. Modern research increasingly highlights antioxidant activity from spices, with trials showing reduced markers of inflammation after regular intake, though larger studies are still needed for definitive claims. You can make spiced tea caffeine-free by using rooibos or herbal bases, allowing everyone to enjoy the aroma and benefits without stimulant effects. To make the most of spiced tea, steep spices gently, avoid overboiling, and balance potency to suit your taste while considering any medical conditions or medication interactions. Avoid adding excessive sugar, instead use small amounts of honey or stevia and combine spices with lemon or milk depending on tradition and personal preference. Be mindful that spiced tea can contain caffeine depending on the base tea, and certain herbs may be contraindicated during pregnancy or with specific medications. People with diabetes, bleeding disorders, or those taking blood thinners should consult a healthcare professional before making heavy spice consumption routine. Cardamom, cloves, and other warming spices also provide antimicrobial benefits that can support oral health and digestion when used in moderation. Experiment with spice blends, fresh versus ground ingredients, and steeping times to find your ideal balance of flavor, strength, and health impact. Enjoying spiced tea as part of a varied diet offers a low-risk, enjoyable way to access antioxidants, soothe digestion, and cultivate daily wellness rituals. If you like this exploration, subscribe to the channel and like this video to join us for more simple, science-backed health tips.